Well, we could all use a little comfort food these days. And how about some Indian cuisine? Hemant Bhagwani, restaurateur and chef, joins us now from, good morning. We were commenting in the studio how beautiful your kitchen is.
Thank you, thank you. It's my home kitchen. Chefs love having beautiful kitchens at home. I'll be cooking a non-traditional breakfast this morning.
Okay, I'm a relative new fan of Indian cuisine. I actually whipped up a Indian buttered chicken last night. I haven't done breakfast yet, though. What do you suggest?
Nice. Well, Indian food is not known for breakfast, right? And that's where I'm trying to sway. I'm trying to take it out there that we Indians love eating beautiful, delicious, spicy, and tangy breakfast. So that's what I was going to make it today. But I love butter chicken. I think that's the most amazing dish Indian food has.
Oh, I love it. Yeah. Okay, well, let's get breakfast started. By the way, how's the restaurant business going in the pandemic? Eggbird is a huge success, but I'm sure you've had your challenges.
It's been tough, but there's been a lot of support for us, and a lot of people are doing takeouts, and Indian food carries really well. Mm-hmm. So it's working out well.
Well, that's good to hear.
I've got the naan dough here. I'm going to be making a fresh naan.
Okay.
There we go. 30-40 seconds on the pan, like piping hot pan, and then it's going to go in the oven. While this is going on, I have delicious spicy sausage. By the way, it's Goan chorizo, and
that sounds good.
I'm gonna quickly cook it on butter, because I'm not going to put butter on the naan, so this can take a lot of butter.
What makes Indian cuisine so unique?
The spices, the flavors, and we've got a lot of influx from different parts of the world. I think that's changed a little bit of Indian cuisine and made it better, I feel. The Persian influence, the English influence, the Afghanistan's they're coming in. So there's a lot of people coming into India. I think it's made Indian food a lot more flavorful. There you go. This is the base of the naan. I'm going to put this in the oven. I'll ask my assistant to do that. And while this is cooking, this is almost done. We're going to get on to the fried eggs.
What are your favorite spices?
I'm a big fan of fenugreek and black mustard seeds. I think I will add that in every dish if I want.
That's your go-to, even for this one.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, not on this one, but yeah. I would love to do it. I've got the fried eggs going on here. Mm-hmm.
And how long is the naan in the oven for?
It's going to be about for 40 seconds. Okay. And that's the home cook. That's my stay at home. Making naan at home, and try to do what restaurants are able to pull off.
Are we able to do it?
Egg has to, yeah, it's easy. If not, then you could buy the Amaya naans or the other naans available in Longo's and Costco everywhere. Oh, yeah. But it's easy to do it at home. Get the dough done with milk and yogurt. Make sure you put a little bit of buttermilk. This is almost done.
Okay, we've got about 30 seconds left, and we're hungry.
There we go. We get the cream cheese on it. The tomato chutney, the sausages, and the fried egg.
Oh, this looks amazing.
And a little bit of green chilies, coriander. We're good to go. This is almost ready there.
Wow, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, we're gonna link up all your socials and this at chch.com on the Morning Live page for for that recipe and lots more. Hemant Bhagwani, thanks so much for sharing
Thank you very much.
a very unique and amazing looking brekkie.
Thank you. Take care.